Hello, grade 6, how are you? Today we'll solve from المعاصر book. Final revision, model number 5. Question number 1. Choose the correct answer from the opposite box plot. The upper quartile here, it will be 1. The upper quartile, it will be 32. We have minimum 22 and the maximum value 34. And the median 30. We have lower quartile 26 and the upper quartile 32. Then the upper quartile in this example will be 32. Okay, choose letter A about question number 1. The result will be 32. It's upper quartile. Okay. Question number 2. Which of the following not numerical expression? Not numerical expression. We have verbal here about question letter A. We have 2x plus 1 algebraic expression because we have verbal here x. Choose letter A. Question number 3. The mode of the data will be what? We must choose the number which is the most repeating here. The most repeating 4 repeating 2 times. So the result will be to choose letter C. Number 4 repeating 3 times. Choose letter C. 4 repeating 2 times. Then the mode will be 4. Okay, understood? We have 4 repeating 2 times here. 1 and 2. Then the mode will be 4. Choose letter C. Next question number 4. From the opposite Venn diagram, greatest common factor between them, we must find the greatest common factor by product two factors 2 and 3. 2 times 3 equals 6. Choose the intersection 2 digits between 2 seats, it will be 2 and 3. Then the greatest common factor between their product between 2 and 3. 2 times 3, it will be 6. Question number 5. Which of the following are relatively prime numbers? We know relatively prime numbers, two numbers can be divided by anyone without 1. Like that, what we have choose 14 and 15. We called it two numbers here relatively prime numbers because 14 and 15 can divide it by the digit 1 only. The height common factor between 14 and 15 will be 1. Then 14 and 15 we called it relatively prime numbers. Understood? Relatively prime numbers, it's meaning two numbers can be divided by any digit without 1. 14 and 15 can be divided by digit 1 only. Next question number 6. 3 power 4, it's meaning 3 multiplication by itself 3 times. 4 times, okay? 3 power 4, 3 times 3 times 3 times 3, it will be 3 cubed. We can write 3 power 4, choose letter D. Choose letter D. 3 power 4, it will be 3 by 3 by 3. We have here the result 3 times 3 times 3, choose letter D about this example, okay? 3 power 4, but 3 cubed, it will be 3 power 3, it will be 3 times 3, 3 times 3 power 4, equivalent 3 times 3 times 3 times 3, 4 times. We must product the digits by itself 4 times. Okay, then the result will be choose letter D. Understood? Again, about question number 1. The upper quartile here, upper quartile, it will be 32. It's upper quartile, we refer it Q3. And number 2, which of the following not numerical expression? We must choose letter E, 2x plus 1. Because x here is a variable, then 2x plus 1 we call it algebraic expression. Letter C about question number 3, he asked about the mode. We must choose the numbers which is the most repeating here. 4 is the mode. Question number 4 is the opposite Venn diagram. Greatest common factor, it will be the product between 2 and 3. 2 times 3 here, it will be 6. Choose letter B. And question number 5. Which of the following relatively prime numbers? We must choose 14 and 15 because 14 and 15 height common factor between them equal 1. Choose letter C. And question number 6, 3 power 4, it's meaning 3 product itself 4 times. 3 power 4, 3 times 3 times 3 times 3, choose letter D. Now we will solve next page, page 67, complete about question number 1. We have here 1 and 2 over 5 plus 2 and 3 over 10. To solve the example, we must write the least common multiplication between two denominators. 10 divided by 5. Then 5 times 2 equal 10 and 2 times 2 equal 4. And write 2 outside. Write 3 here. Sum of them. 2 plus 1 equal 3. And then write 10 in the numerator. 3 plus 4 equals 7. So the result will be 3 and 7 over 10. Next question. Number 2. In the equation y equal to x plus 1, the dependent variable here, it will be y. Y, we called it dependent. Okay, y is the dependent in this equation, but x, we call it independent. Question number 3. The derivative inverse of negative 6 equals positive 6. We must change the sign of digits. Question number 4. The rule is multiply by 8 where x is independent variable. If x equal half, complete with me here, then would be what? He give us the rule multiply by 8 and the independent here variable x is the independent variable where x independent variable like that y equal half. We have the rule here multiply by x, then we can write 8 product by x because it tells us x here independent. In this example the rule is multiply by 8, write 8 product by x because x independent and variable independent variable. You want to find the result will be what? At x equal half. If x equal half in this equation, we can find the dependent y by put x equal half. 8 product by half, we can find the value of y. 8 product by half, it will be 4. Then the result will be 4. So you can write 4 here. Again, this example. We have rule about this example multiply by 8, where x is the independent variable. Then we can write y dependent equal 8 product by x. X here independent. In this example, independent x. At x equal half, we can find the value of variable y. Okay, y here refers to the independent. The dependent here y and independent x. Okay, we can find the dependent will be 4. In the result about the example, we must write 4. Understood? Half product by 8 equal 4. Question number 5. The range of the values equal. To find the range, we must write the difference between maximum and the minimum value. The maximum here, it will be 24, okay, 24, and the minimum was 17. 24 subtracted by 17, maximum and the minimum values in the example, 24 and 17. Then the difference between them, 14 minus 7 equals 7, so the difference will be 7. Question number 6. 45 plus 27 equal 9, product by 45 divided by 9, it will be 5. And 27 divided by 9 equal 3. So you must write 9, 5 and 3 in the space. Next question number 7. The number of like terms in the expression space. We can write number of like terms here. We have 7 plus 2x plus 3x. We have 2 like terms here. The result will be 2 because we have 2x and 3x like terms. Then the number of values or the number of like terms in the expression, we have 2 like terms. We have here 2 like terms only, okay? 2x and 3x. Question 8. The median of the values. We can find the median, a median between a number by find the number which lies in the middle by arrange ascending or descending order. We can arrange all numbers 2, 3, 7, 9, 11. We have 5, 2, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. Then The number lies in the middle. We can write 7 plus 5 equal 12 divided by 2. Then 12 divided by 2 equals 6. Then the median will be equal 6. We have 2, 4, 6 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then the median will be the middle. 5 plus 7 divided by 2, it will be 6. Question number 3, choose the correct answer. Number 1, 7. Space the set of integers is 7 equaling 2. Choose letter A. 7 equaling 2 set of integers numbers. Choose letter A. Okay, choose letter A about question number 1. Question number 2. The number 90 is not divisible by what? We know 90 can divide it by 3, can divide it by 5. And what about 4? We can write here 90 divided by 4. 9 divided by 4 equal 2 and the remainder 1. 10 divided by 4 equal 2 and the remainder 2. Okay, so 90 can't divide it by 4. Then the number 90 is not divisible by 4. Choose letter B about this question. Question number 3. If y equal 1 plus 2x, okay, y equal 1 plus 2x, then space and 7 satisfies this rule. We want to find the first projection here. We know any point, the order is x and y. Then you can write the value of y here 7. Then 7 will be equal 1 plus 2x. And then you can solve this by equation. We must move 1 from right hand side to left hand side. 7 minus 1 equals 6. 6 equal 2x. And then divided by the coefficient of x. So the value will be 6 divided by 2. It will be 3. Understood? The result here will be 3. Then we can write 3 in the space. In the point will be 3 and 7. You must choose 3. About question number 3, choose letter C. Choose letter C. Next question. Number 4. The mean of the numbers. We can find the mean by find the sum of all numbers divided the numbers here. Question number 4. We can find the mean by add all numbers. We have 2, 3, 8, 9, 10. And we have 10 again. 2, 4, 6, 6 numbers. Then x4 reverse to the arithmetic mean. We can write 6 and 10 plus 10, 20. 9 plus 8, 17. 17 plus 3, 20. 20 plus 2, 22. 22 plus 20, it will be 42. 42 divided by 6 equals 7. Then the mean here about question number 4, it will be 7. Choose letter B. Question number 5. The shape that choose the individual data, it will be what? Choose here dot plot. Okay, choose letter B. The shape that shows the individual data dot plot, because we can write the frequency of any point like that A and B and C. We can write all results by using point. So this shape choose the individual data. We must choose letter B. Question number 6. Which of the following is one of the solution of x greater than or equal to negative 1? We have 0. 0 is greater than negative 1. Choose letter D. Next question, number 7. The outlier data. We have all numbers 100, 103, 104, 105, but 900 is the outlier because we have the long distance between 900 and all 6. We have 101, 102, 103, 104. This number is nearest. But 900, we have the long distance between 900 and all group here. So the outlier here, it will be 900. Choose letter C. The outlier digits. Question number 4. Order the numbers from least to greatest. Okay, we have -4, and the absolute value of -7, it will be 7. And we have 5, 0, -6. We can write the order. Right from least to greatest. The smallest number here, -6, -4, 0, 5, and last one would be 7. Questions number 2. Solve each of the following about equation 5x equal 30. We can divide it by coefficient of x, 5 divided by 5. Then 30 divided by 5 equals 6. So the value of x here equals 6. And what about this equation letter B? 8 plus x equal 15. We must cancel 8 by 8. The additive inverse of 8, it will be -8. 8 subtract by 8 plus x equal 15 minus 8. We can cancel two numbers. Then 0 plus x will be x. X equal 15 minus 8 equals 7. Then the solution here, x equals 7 and x equals 6. Next question. Number 3. From the opposite plot, answer the following questions. How many people were served? We can count all dots here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, again we have 4 plus 2, 6, 6 plus 3, 9, 10, 11, 12. Then the number of people here, it will be 12 persons. Question number 1, we have 12 persons. How many people were served? We can write 12 people. Number 2, how many people? We have letter A and letter B. How many people read 3 books? We have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 people. We have 4 people. Okay. Question number 4. Evaluate this expression at n equal to. We have 14 divided by n plus 5 over 2 at n equal to. Put n equal to in this expression. Then you can write 14 divided by 2. Put n equal to. Plus 5 over 2, it will be 25. 14 divided by 2, it will be 7. 7 plus 25 will be 32. Then the result here, it will be 32 about question number 4.